oblivion.
Look!
Steal all the gear.
Look! The red light.
Of doom!
Yes. Venture forth into that light.
What do I see?
I've become the dungeon master.
Mm-hmm.
You look to your right and see the mossy walls.
Are they magical?
And
Do I detect
yes,
magic?
yes, magic. And you are
Can I
intrigued.
identify what kind of magic it is?
Yes, and you are intrigued, so you go to investigate more.
Well, I have already been able to detect the magic. Is it dangerous?
You've detected it. You tell me.
Yes.
It is dangerous. Good to know.
There seems to be a dent here. But if I look closely enough, there might be treasure.
Oh no! The wall has turned into a giant rock man. Run! Run! He will get you. You are not running fast. He's gonna catch you. Oh no! Oh, you barely escaped that.